Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial I will share how to enable dark mode on Mozilla Firefox in Windows PC. So open your Mozilla Firefox browser. And at the top right corner, where you have 3 lines, click on that. And here we need to go to Setting. So once you click on Settings, you will find tabs General, Home Search, and Privacy and Security. So we will click on General. And then we need to scroll down. And here, you will find Automatic and then Light and the Darkness. So you can select the dark mode. And from now you need to close Mozilla browser. And reopen it, your Mozilla Firefox will be in dark mode. Alright, so this is how you can enable dark mode on Mozilla Firefox browser. I hope this very short tutorial is helpful. Please hit the like and subscribe. And see you in the next video.